Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to the Knowledge Tree Academy. This is Komal Saeed and today we are going to learn another very important topic from mathematics, simultaneous linear equations. This topic is very important for school and board exams, Cambridge examinations, national and international curriculum, algebra and higher mathematics concepts, problem solving and analytical thinking. Many students find simultaneous equation difficult because there are two variables and multiple steps involved. But in today's lecture, I will explain everything in a very simple and easy way. In this lecture, we will learn what is a simultaneous equation or what are simultaneous linear equations, methods to solve simultaneous equations, how to solve them using elimination method and how to solve them using Cramer rule method, step by step examples and important exam tips. In today's lecture, we will only solve the simultaneous linear equations by elimination method. First of all, let's understand what are simultaneous equations. Simultaneous equations are two equations with two variables that are solved together. For example, I am having two equations. First one is x plus y equals to 10. Second one is x minus y equals to 2. This is the example of simultaneous equations because we are having two equations and the variables in these equations are x and y, means two variables. Let's understand elimination method. What is elimination method? In elimination method, we eliminate one variable first, then we find the value of the second variable. Let's solve an example. Example number 1 is x plus y equals to 10, comma, x minus y is equals to 2. First of all, we write both the equations clearly. Let's write the equations clearly. X plus y equals to 10 and x minus y is equals to 2. Now add both the equations. Adding both the equations. X plus y equals to 10 into x minus y equals to 2. Let's add these equations. This is 2x, this is 12. So divide 2x is equals to 12. Now dividing both sides by 2. Dividing both sides by 2. 2x by 2 is equals to 12 by 2. So the value of x is 6. Now substitute x equals to 6 into the first equation. What was our first equation? Our first equation was x plus y is equals to 10. Let's substitute 6 plus y equals to 10. Now y is equals to 10 minus 6. So y is equals to 4. Therefore, x is equals to 6 and y is equals to 4. I hope you have understood this example. Now, let's solve example number 2, which is a higher level example. So, the equations are 3x plus 2y equals to 16 and 2x minus 2y is equals to 4. What was our first step? Our first step was to write the equations clearly. 3x plus 2y is equals to 16 and 2x minus 2y is equals to 4. Now add these equations. So adding equations. Let me write the equations. 3x plus 2y is equals to 16 plus 2x minus 2y is equals to 4. 3x plus 2x is 5x. These will cancel each other and 16 plus 4 is 20. Now dividing both sides by 5. So 5x by 5 is equals to 20 by 5. And we get x is equals to 4. Now substituting x equals to 4 into the second equation. What was our second equation? Our second equation was 2x minus 2y is equals to 4. 2 into 4 minus 2y is equals to 4. Now for 2's are 8 minus 2y is equals to 4. This is subtracting 8 from both sides. We get 2x is equals to minus 4. Dividing both sides by minus 2, we get y is equals to 2. Therefore, the value of x and y are x equals to 4 and y is equals to 2. I hope you understood example number 2 also. Now, important concepts. The important concepts are while solving simultaneous equations, write equations neatly. Eliminate one variable carefully. Solve step by step. Substitute values correctly. This helps avoid mistakes and improve presentation in exams. Now, what are important exam tips? Before we end this lecture, let me give you some important exam tips. Practice sign changing carefully. Keep equations properly aligned. Do not skip steps. Always check your final answers and practice different types of equations daily. So this is where we complete today's lecture. I hope you have understood simultaneous equations and the elimination method clearly. In the next lecture, we will learn another very important method called the Cramer rules, which is also very. So this is where we complete today's lecture. I hope you have understood simultaneous equations and the elimination clearly. In the next lecture, inshallah, we will learn another very important method called the Cramer's rule method, which is very useful for solving simultaneous equations in mathematics. So stay connected and don't miss the next lecture. If you found this lecture helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.